As you can see, the mesh guards are visibly spinning. They should be locked in place. First, power off your shaver. Now, open your 3 or 4 head blade assembly by the tabs on the sides. Turn the center dial to the left to unlock the white brace. Gently remove it and set it aside. As shown, dump the contents of the blade frame into your hand. In a well-lit area on a flat surface, separate blades from the mesh guards. Place the mesh guards face down into the back side of the blade frame. Place the blades within the circle of the mesh guards face down. Align the white brace over the blades. Next, press the white brace into the blade frame. Turn the center dial to the right to lock into place. Now, you should move the blade assembly around to make sure blades are firmly locked into place. Align the top and bottom of the blade assembly and snap together. Turn your shaver on to make sure the blades are locked in place. No visible spinning means your shaver is ready to go.